Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change a screen lock to pattern on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, for many users, drawing a pattern to unlock their device is more convenient and quicker than typing a PIN or password, especially on devices with large screen. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly enter to the settings menu. Well, and here scroll down please until you find the security and privacy option, so tap on it. Well, after that, click the lock screen option. So then select the first one here, then enter your current screen lock. So select pattern option, and here draw a pattern please, and click continue, so confirm it as before. Click OK. And now your screen lock is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change a screen lock to pattern on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.